In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename report headings in Xero Profit and Loss reports. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust the wording of headings and totals so your profit and loss reflects the language your team and stakeholders actually use. Start by logging into your Xero account as you normally would. Once you're in, head to the main menu and click Reporting. This takes you to Xero's Reporting Hub, where you can access all the standard financial reports. From here, choose Profit and Loss. Xero will open the report with your current settings, and that's all you need for this process. Now look toward the top of the report and click Edit Layout. This opens Xero's Layout Editor, where you can fine-tune how your report looks without changing any underlying data. Think of it as adjusting labels and presentation rather than changing your chart of accounts. It's especially useful if you want your terminology to match internal conventions or industry norms. With the Layout Editor open, click on any report heading or total row that you want to rename. For example, you might choose Total Cost of Sales if you prefer to display it as Cost of Goods Sold. When you click a heading or total row, a panel appears on the right side of the screen with options specific to that row. In the right side panel, find the row heading text box. This is where you'll enter the new label. Click into that box and type the new heading name exactly as you want it to appear. Keep it clear and consistent with the rest of your report. As you type, Xero shows you how the change will look, so you can confirm spelling, capitalization, and style. Remember, you're only changing how the line is labeled on the report. The underlying accounts and calculations remain the same. Take a moment to review the updated report heading on the left. Make sure it reads naturally with the surrounding lines and that it conveys the meaning you intend. If needed, make small adjustments in the text box until it looks right. When you're satisfied, click Update Layout. This applies your changes to the report layout so the new heading appears going forward. If you ever want to tweak it again, you can return to Edit Layout and repeat the same steps. That's it. You've successfully renamed a report heading, giving you cleaner, more intuitive profit and loss labels in Xero. With this approach, you can customize your report language while keeping your financial data intact and easy to understand.